Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Is the new Oppo Reno 14 Pro really worth it? From its mesmerizing mermaid design to its powerful camera setup, this phone has a lot to offer, but is it all just hype? Today, I'm putting the Reno 14 Pro to the test. From capturing vibrant street scenes and concert shots to pushing its battery life to the limit. Plus, I'll reveal the surprising pros and cons that might just change your mind about this phone. So whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love stylish smartphones, stick around to find out if the Reno 14 Pro is worth your money. Let's dive right in. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro has just launched, and it's already turning heads with its unique mermaid design. Under light, the back shimmers between blue and purple hues, giving it a captivating look. Priced at over 3,000 yuan, around 330 pounds, is it worth it? Before diving into the details, let's address a key issue: the included transparent case. It's thick, rigid, and difficult to bend with one hand, making it a hassle to remove. Plus, it makes the power and volume buttons hard to press. Without the case, the phone measures just 7.58 millimeters in thickness, but with it, the size jumps to 10 millimeters. Hopefully, future models will come with a more user-friendly case. Let's explore the Oppo Reno 14 Pro's camera setup. It features a triple camera system on the back, a 50-megapixel main camera at the bottom, an ultra-wide lens on the far right, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera at the top, offering 3.5x optical zoom. When using the camera, you'll find 5 default focal lengths: a 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 3.5x, and 7x. For portraits, the options are limited to 1x, 2x, and 3.5x. I suggest adding a 100mm focal length via OTA for more versatility. To test the camera, I visited Wang Taisin Temple on a sunny day. The Reno 14 Pro captured vibrant, accurate colors and sharp details, especially when using the 2x and 3.5x lenses. The image quality was impressively pure and crisp. Switching to the 16mm ultra-wide lens, the Reno 14 Pro beautifully captures scenes of people praying and seeking blessings, with accurate bokeh and natural, well-lit skin tones. Next, I headed from Prince Edward to Mongkok, passing iconic Hong Kong double-decker buses and the classic blend of old and new architecture. The Reno 14 Pro's dual lenses captured the vibrant street scenes without color distortion, producing crisp, clear images straight from the camera. I especially enjoyed using the 3.5x periscope lens for optical zoom. It flawlessly preserved details, from colorful old signboards to red-painted walls and bright advertisements. Even at 170mm focal length, 7x, the camera maintained rich color accuracy, showing blue skies, white clouds, and the fine texture of building walls. The third stop was the Kai Tak Sports Center, where I tested the Reno 14 Pro's camera during a concert, a real challenge for any lens. I pushed the 7x zoom to its limits from the distant stands. The results were impressive. Despite the complex lighting, the camera handled both bright and dark areas well, delivering high-purity, clear shots without noticeable smearing or blurring. Even when zoomed in, the details remained sharp and consistent. Let's check out the iPhone 16 Pro's actual shot quality. It's disappointingly mushy, with severe overexposure and blurring. In contrast, the Oppo Reno 14 Pro supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS, featuring a sound focus function that isolates the audio of the subject. To experience this, listen to the concert recording below. Headphones recommended. Remarkably, this was captured with 7x zoom, which is impressive even for offline editing. After hours of intermittent shooting, the Reno 14 Pro's battery consumption was less than 5% thanks to its robust 6,200 mAh battery. No battery life anxiety here. That's a wrap on my Oppo Reno 14 Pro usage report. This time, I focused on personal experience rather than a detailed comparison. If you're into photography or capturing moments at events, I hope this gives you a clear idea of what the Reno 14 Pro is capable of. So that's my hands-on experience with the Oppo Reno 14 Pro. From its stunning mermaid-inspired design to impressive zoom capabilities and solid battery performance, it definitely packs a punch. But is it the perfect smartphone for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.